Does your laser cutting assist gas make you choose between quality and speed? Pure oxygen cutting is slow and leaves an oxide layer that must be removed in an additional step in the process. Pure nitrogen cutting is faster and gives cleaner edges, but can require deburring. The Atlas Copco LC mix gives you the best of both worlds. By blending just the right amount of oxygen into nitrogen, our gas mixer delivers cutting speeds that can be more than 5 times faster than oxygen, less burr than with pure nitrogen, and edges that are paint and weld ready without downstream cleaning. We know you likely cut a lot of mild steel and its alloys. By using the LC mix, you can cut thicker material faster with fusion cutting. For aluminum too, mixing delivers smoother surfaces and often more than 40% faster cutting. So even for the toughest jobs, you gain productivity without compromising on quality. The system integrates seamlessly with any high-pressure nitrogen and oxygen supply, including our LCN2 nitrogen generator. The LCN2 delivers nitrogen with the right purity, quality, and high pressure to the mixer, which precision adds the required volume of oxygen. It then supplies this powerful assist gas mix to your laser. At the end of it all, the LC mix helps keep your laser cutting sharp and fast, allowing you to get more parts out the door more efficiently.